Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good morning. How it's going? Let me introduce myself. My name is Raditya Melisari and nyanyikan kami Mistia. I want to share about narrative text, pengertian ciri-ciri, fungsi, jenis, dan contoh. Narrative text adalah salah satu jenis teks dalam bahasa Inggris yang bertujuan untuk menghibur para pembaca melalui sebuah cerita. Ciri-ciri naratif teks. Ciri-ciri naratif teks itu yang digunakan, khas bahasa digunakan dalam naratif teks adalah past tense, termasuk variasi passive voice. Lalu sering munculnya nouns, phrases, dan adjektif. Frase juga untuk menjelaskan kata benda atau sifat seperti very beautiful phrases. Fungsi naratif teks. Fungsi naratif teks, narasi yang panjang tersimpan banyak tujuan. Selain tujuan utamanya untuk menghibur, naratif teks juga memiliki berbagai tujuan dan fungsi seperti mendidik, memperkaya imajinasi, dan mengabadikan cerita masa lalu. Structure narrative text. First, orientation. Second, complication. Third, resolution. Fourth, reorientation or evaluation. Jenis-jenis naratif teks. First, folklore. Second, fable. Third, myth. Fourth, legend. 5, fairy tale. 6, love story or romance. 7, text mysteries and horror stories. 8, adventure stories. Nah, Mistia akan memberikan contoh naratif teks. Once upon a time, in a huge castle lived a beautiful princess named Carmilla. She was the only child in the family, yet she had been forced to obey her father's rules. She was unhappy most of the time. The king had never Carmilla leave the castle. Thus the maid often caught Carmilla crying in the middle of the night. One night, Carmilla was sitting in front of her window. Her pretty eyes became blurry with tears. Surely her maid couldn't stand to watch the silence. She eventually offered Carmilla to watch an opera at classical theater. Without hesitation, Carmilla said yes. They sneaked out from the castle at night. The courts had been told to stay quiet while waiting for Sally and Carmilla to come home. There, Carmilla saw a mysterious, handsome tall man playing violin, very beautiful. She began to cry, feeling the music set shaking her very soul. Before the curtain was closed, Carmilla caught the man's eyes, cold and dark. She knew from the moment that she was in love. Night after night, Carmilla and Cecilian were getting closer every time. Cecilian finished his performance. They met behind the stage. Unfortunately, Sally was fired because one of the courts revealed the secret to the king. From then, Carmilla stopped seeing Cecilians, and the king ordered her to marry Prince. Thank you for the day.